Good afternoon. Level na kan zero to chapter 2 myopia le hypermetropia solution. Numericals problem ho kan zero do na he thil trangkai le poi mo de umenia achan chu he ba khi he mid doctor kan dite ophthalmist kan dite he ba ki he physics ba ki mang chuang lawa he mang hian in nge mid chi ho kha antar mit kan cho dan kan zir do ni chu wa chuan chapter ma sa kan zir to kha tu na atak taka trangkai na man trangkai na a kan lu chho do ni e problems ni khan ve kan chonga chuan assignment na mani khan in lo ti le don ye thiam lo khan mi ron so je tu kan de khan mi lo zot ngai lo khen lo ba na ron ti tik le thup je en ton ti khe du tu kha te kha chin lo tu le en le la question ngo chu ma chuan myopia kha kan cho main myopia kha ga se do at nai mu theya la mu thei lo ti kha ni ya atla kha ya dik ta jon mi thi infinity tleng mu thei turang ngai ni ya a question na a hlat zong kha aron soi lo ni chuan a hlat zong khan infinity kha da char tu mar chu question khan in a nei zong kha aron soi ro chuan kha khai mang me nga tiam boin hypermetropia kha nai mu thei lo wa a nai mu thei zong kha kal soi do kha mi kha 25 cm chin tu rania aron soi lo chu question kha nai adu nai zong kha ron soi lo 25 cm kha man le me tu rani le myopia tan chuan kal soi to khan object distance kha aron pelore chuan infinity man turania aron pe chu aron pe kan mang tiawen hypermetropia khan object distance kha aron pe kha chu aron pe kan mang menga aron pelore chuan 25 cm kha man le me turani le question okay kung ro chu kan zianga in lo copy bok don ya problem ma lo zia zok chin ni tips tila if not given use where is infinity sign? Yes, use infinity as object distance. If not given, get yo ape kha chola pe khaman turnia ape so use 25 cm as object distance for hypermetropia. It is true. Take it as a note. Let me make color. Let me color this stakes. All right. Doesn't look good, right? Okay. A question kind of peloni chuan myopia bia khan infinity kai mangze lang object distance hypermetropia khan 25 cm mangze bokang. Now let's continue. Question khan lu talk. A child can clearly see up to a distance of 25 cm. He wants to read a book placed at a distance of 50 cm. Calculate the power of lens required for his spectacles. 25 cm thleng chau kha mu theya 50 cm a thil da taila 25 cm thleng chau mu the chon nai chau mu the la mu the lo tina ni he myopia tina ni ngal ni khalai ka thiam ngal la a question kha ron sei don lo tam da ka chon hypermetropia ge myopia ti kha ron pe don lo ni a question try chira ta kha nam ma ha i hriat thiam ngai he pa condition hi he nu condition ni ge myopia ge hypermetropia he tai kan hriat thei dan tur chu 25 cm thleng chau mu the at nai kha mu the ti kha soi ni a hla kha a mu the lo chu vai he myopia ni ta tang hian myopia de kan thei da ni 50 cm hla da kha chiara ngai ta ni hetai jon he kan sei do khan aron given a khan 50 cm kha rom ta ni nai zo khan object distance ta khan ta object kha da ngai object chu book kha ni chu wangin ta jon u kan nei infinity man lo tur write down given kan tianga u kha 50 centimeter always minus kan di kha chuan v mu theina chin kha v ni zel mai chuan v kha 25 hebo minus thonia achan chu real and virtual and erect kha ni zel image kha chenga chuan tre tur chu virtual erect ni chu chuan v kha a negative zel di kha rebo che convex lens a chuan now we have to find focal length then power using lens formula 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u 1 by f equals 1 by minus what is v 25 more 25 minus 1 by minus 50 LCM minus itu cuma ada potong minus 1 by 25 minus plus choka 1 by 50 1 by f equals LCM of 15 here minus 2 plus 1 1 by f equals minus 1 by 50 cross sila direct omeng f equal to minus 50 centimeter convex concave focal length negative so concave kan di ka now meter chan tirang of power so no meter chan zel ngai kan di ka minus 50 by 100 ni me chu wagin minus ko direct do 0.5 meter now power chu engel ta power chu 1 by f ania equal to 1 by minus 0.5 equal to minus 10 by 5 tero equal to minus 2 diopter okay kha khan be kha mit myopia veitan kha la power mo sa chu minus 2 d khan I chut sak theta ni nang mo po khan amit khai in sakanga e mu fiat hem ni kal latir je langa ka chut ka har to re lo ni now let's do another problem. The near point of a hypermetropic eye the near point of a hypermetropic eye is 1 meter 1 meter chin kha mu thei ta hian hei v ni ti na ni hal v2 minus centimeter pro man trin ka chona chon 1 meter equal to minus 100 centimeter. What is the power of lens required for this defect criteria? U ka soilem lo ni apek chon he ta ka soi to ka tips ka U ka pek lo chuan if not given use 25 centimeter as object distance. U is 25 centimeter minus 25 centimeter. Okay. 1 by f lens formula kan lu le nga implies 1 by f equals 1 by minus 100 minus 1 by minus 25 or 1 by f equals minus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 25 LCM kan la liang LCM 2 100 tro minus 1 plus 25 in a way d no, 100 equal to here. Okay, doesn't look good. One by f equals 3 by 100 or f equal to 100 by 3 centimeter. So na ka power tho ni mo zon ngai hey positive chua ka convex ka chiang le ta ni chuan power kan zo don hi final answer ni lo chu wang decimal chan tir kha ngai khelo final answer a chau khanin I chan tir thin tur ani decimal ti now power chu 1 by f or power equal to 1 by 100 by 3 equals 3 wait, sorry. Hey, meter kan na chantir lo. Power chantir don chuan meter chantir zel to kan dekha hi 100 divide to tro so 1/3 meter. 1/3 equals to b equal to 3 kha chunga lo chunga 3/1 d b equal to 3 diopter.